Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Guys, MaNgwabe posted a picture of a beautiful girl and said happy birthday my daughter. So I am wondering, could it be her biological daughter, or I don't know, or maybe she's the aunt to this young lady or something of that sort. I'm wondering, guys, because one thing about MaNgwabe, we never really knew much about her based on what we were watching on Uthando and Nesthembu, given also the fact that we just recently discovered Uthi there is Usimpiwe, who is also her son that we didn't know anything about, you know. So I'm wondering, Uthi, could this daughter be her daughter? And fun enough is I was scrolling down her Instagram page and I didn't see any pictures of this girl, you know. So I don't know, man, maybe, but if it's her daughter, we'll definitely find out, we'll definitely know. Ndaba zabantu, ay. Anyways, guys, Usimpiwe as well, who is MaNgwabe's son, also posted a picture of this girl on her Instagram stories and said happy birthday sis. So I don't know, maybe it's his sibling. We never know with MaNgwabe. Again, guys, remember Mseleku did say on this latest season ukuthi MaNgwabe, he was sort of insinuating ukuthi MaNgwabe wamthatha, like he saved her from istrada, you know, from ukube amadoda emposelana sort of esiba kule ndoda esiya kule ndoda into enjalo. Like he was insinuating ukuthi he saved MaNgwabe from those kind of from that kind of life. So asas uthi, was he referring to the fact that MaNgwabe had 2 kids, you know, before he met her? We never know, you know. But MaNgwabe, Ubaba Mseleku did say that he saved MaNgwabe from ukuphoselana ngamadoda from the streets as well. So we do not know, guys. Anyways, we are going to find out if that is the case. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Guys, leave me kancane laba bazathi bona indaba zabantu what yo guys, no. On this channel sikhuluma ngendaba zabantu, literally sikhuluma ngendaba zabantu. If ungathandi nje umuntu okhuluma ngendaba zabantu, ungasubscribe ngoba asifuni ke manje ukuthi usubscribe ubusuqalisa ukusichumayeza ukuthi singakhulumi ngendaba zabantu. No, we don't want that, please.